Hey Google, which ingredients do I need for the perfect espresso martini?
Here's a summary from the website bbgoodfood.com. For the cocktail, ice, 100 milliliters Absolut vodka.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic. I'll let you decide whether this one is sarcastic.
Now for these labels, telling fables, making them fucked up deals under the tables. You think that you smart, but